Section, we're going to export our game to PC on itch.io. We're going to start off and format our current game for PC devices. We're then going to create an exported zip file for web browser. From there, we're going to log into itch.io and attach an exported zip file to a new web browser project. Now let's go ahead and jump right in. Alright, let's get started exporting our game to PC for itch.io. So the first thing we want to do is make sure our scaling is correct. So we can do that inside of our project settings, and then go ahead, look for window under display. Now from there, I highly suggest you change the mode from windowed to full screen, and then also scroll on down to the stretch, and you see mode is currently set to disabled. Change that to canvas items. That'll ensure the UI items are stretched correctly depending on the screen size. Once you have that, go ahead and hit close. From there, we're going to go ahead and select our project and then export. Now we need to tell it which type of export. You can do that at this add button up here and simply select the web. Now you might get some errors down here if you've never done this before. It's going to ask you to download some libraries and templates. Go ahead and select yes and start that process. You need to have those to export your game correctly. So once that's done, then you're going to go ahead and select Export Project. Now I highly suggest you create a new folder for this. I'm going to call this Exports. And then in Exports, I'm also going to create another one. I'm going to call this Web. Now inside of Web, we can save it. Now make sure you're saving it as index.html. itch.io needs it to be named this. So it might be something else right now, but make sure you change it to index.html. Once you have that, you can begin the process. Select Save and start exporting it. Now once your export is complete, go ahead, close out here, and simply right-click on your REST folder and open in File Manager. Once you're here, select into that exports file you created. It'll pop up eventually over here, but for now, just select it right here. Select into Web, and then go ahead, highlight everything here. Once you highlight everything, simply right-click and go ahead, send to compressed zip folder. This is what we need to input inside itch.io to play your game. You can also rename it here. I'm just going to call this zombie-game. Now for zombie game, I'm also going to put it somewhere so I can find it later a lot easier. I'm just going to drag and drop it into my downloads folder. Then you can go ahead and close out there. Next thing you want to do is log into itch.io and create a new project. Once you've created your new project, go ahead, simply give it a title. I'm going to call this Zombie Game. Scroll on down a bit and go ahead, change the kind of project. Instead of downloadable, select HTML. This is going to be for that zip we just created. So make sure you select that there. Then from there, simply scroll on down and select Upload Files. Then what you want to do is simply select your zip, which for me is zombie-game.zip. Select Open, let that upload, might take a second or two depending on how big the game is. Once it's done though, scroll on down a bit. And one thing you can set, this just might help the actual support of the game, is just shared array buffer. This is just something Godot needs to help it run a little better. You can also give it some descriptions, name the genres, and all that. For now though, I'm going to scroll to the bottom. I'm going to keep it as a draft and select Save. From Save, I'm going to go ahead and view the page now. Now it might take a second or two for the game to load. Let's wait for that to load. Once it loads, go ahead, select Run Game. Wait for your game to turn on. And there we go, there's our game. Let's go ahead and try it out. Looks like it's working and it's running pretty smooth. All right, looks like we're all set.